Hello everyone. Today, I'm reviewing the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker. This is a fantastic product for small families, batch cooking, or singles. Let's dive into why this could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Product overview. This product is compact and extremely versatile. It serves as 7 different appliances in one: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. So, by purchasing this, you're getting multiple kitchen devices all in one. Key features. 1. One-touch cooking. One of the best things about this Instant Pot is its 13 customizable smart programs. With just one touch, you can cook ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. It's incredibly user-friendly, which is ideal even for beginners. 2. Quick and efficient cooking. With pressure cooking, it saves up to 70% of cooking time, allowing you to make meals faster and healthier. And if you prefer slow cooking, it can also be used as a slow cooker, giving you that delicious, traditional taste. 3. Quick cleanup. It features fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lids, inner pots, and accessories. This makes cleanup a breeze and saves you valuable time. 4. Safety features. It comes with over 10 safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid, so you can cook with complete peace of mind. 5. Perfect size. With a 3-quart capacity, it's perfect for small families or single cooks. You can make enough food for 2 to 3 people, which is ideal for small households. Versatile inner cooking pot. The inner cooking pot is made of food-grade stainless steel with a tri-ply bottom, providing more even cooking. It's also great for sautéing, making it versatile for different types of recipes. Free recipe app. Another great feature is the free Instant Brands Connect app, which includes over 1,900 recipes. You can explore new recipes and get inspired to try something delicious every day. User experience and performance. The user experience with this Instant Pot has been overwhelmingly positive. With its multifunctionality and ease of use, this device truly stands out as one of the best cooking appliances. It's compact but can handle big tasks, saving space in smaller kitchens. In summary, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini is truly a powerhouse for any kitchen. If you're looking for a small, versatile, and time-saving device, this is an ideal choice. I hope you found this review helpful. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe and let us know which recipe you'll try first. Thank you, and take care. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.